Alright, we're gonna try putting in a mirror. Oh, this is the wrong side. It's for the other side. So back here there's like this plastic ring that I took off. And I think I just need to, when this is off, I just pop it in there. So I'm gonna take off this ring. It has like a million of these small things holding it in. Small plastic clips. Need 3 hands to do this. There we go. That side is done. No. That was easy. What? Are you freaking kidding me? It just broke. Ah. That's super annoying. Okay. I don't know if we can put this on anyway, maybe. Well, we can try. That's really dumb. I need all my hands. I need to connect the heating, I think it is, and then pop it in here. And it's in, but it's broken. But oh, let's put this one in and not break it. That's perfect. Got 2 mirrors. Let's see how they are. That's awesome. Other side then. That's pretty good. That will do.